Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on captions on Google Meet. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on captions on Google Meet, click on three dot icon on lower side. Now here you will find turn on caption. Just click here to turn on caption. Look, now caption is turned on in my Google Meet. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.